Hey everybody, it's Matthew Payne of ASAP Music and Arts Group. Going to do a little tutorial using Jennifer Hudson's It's Your World, this remix I'm working on. So we get a gander, or a good look at Logic's compressor and EQ and see how effective they can be, or ineffective, depends on your viewpoint. But I really think that if you learn with the plugins that you have that comes within your software, put you at a better vantage point to be effective and productive later on as you continue to build your arsenal, as you would say, as one might say. All right, so let's look at what we did was here. This track again is my track for a remix for Jennifer Hudson. And we're going to look at her vocal, the lead vocal track, and see what the compressor and EQ inside of Logic can do to it. So here's the track without our compressor and EQ that we came up with for it.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime, any place. I'll be your server, your slave, your everything.
All right, so again, of course, Jennifer Hudson voice sounds wonderful, right? Accents are great, phrasing is wonderful, but for my track is just too heavy. It's hitting hard, so I need to make sure the vocals are sitting on top of that and clearly sitting on top of that. So what we did first, using Logic's compressor, let's look at it, just to give it just a little consistent dynamics over the top of what I've got going on. Decent threshold, very soft knee, very low ratio. Look at 1.5 to 1. Output gain is 0 decibels, so we want that where we want to be level wise. Using just the Platinum Digital, not one that's modeled after, but these others are modeled after different gear. Using Logic's compressor, and one of my favorite tricks on their compressor is this graph. So we can see our knee. We'll see how it's going up and down our knee, and we get to see this graph where we can see how much compression is happening, where it's happening, and how the compressor is affecting our signal, which will be our lead vocals in this case. So let's listen to it now with the compressor on.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime, any place. I'll be your server, your slave, your everything you ever wanted, baby.
Again, here's the without it.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime.
And so we see it seems to have lost kind of its power behind it. So let's listen to it again with the compressor.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime, any place. I'll be your server, your slave, your everything you ever wanted, baby. Just make one.
All right, so now let's listen to it with the EQ that we added on top. All right, so what we did, we added about 3 decibels, 3.5 decibels at 2.5K. A little more clarity in the vocals, so it'll help speak out. And then we removed a little bit, I guess you can call it the muddiness, the boominess of the vocal. So we don't want a muddy vocal, we want a clear, crisp vocal, right, for your lead. So we dipped it a little bit out, so we about 2 decibels at 300 hertz, 320. Let's hear what that impacted to our vocals.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime, any place. I'll be your server, your slave, your everything you ever wanted, baby.
All right, without it.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it in.
Notice again the vocals kind of disappeared back, lost a lot of the energy. Like I said, you don't have to do a whole lot, just a little bit goes a long way, right? So let's listen to it again.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get it anytime, any place. I'll be your server, your slave, your everything you ever wanted, baby. Just make one wish.
Very good, right? Very clear. A lot of energy, helping the track to drive, right? So it's very important, like, so you can use your plugins that's inside of Logic without worries, right? Make your best of what you got, man. Always learn what you got. That's my motto. Check me out later on. We'll play a little more of the clip. Just let it ride out for a little bit so we can all bob our heads. All right.
Anything that you want from me, boy, you can get